So beyond the beauty part, there's a function part where you have to understand why you have to take care of your skin, your body, which is your skin, which is the largest organ of the body. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy 2023. Yes, happy new year to you guys. Thank you for 2022. Thank you for all my new subscribers. I am so grateful. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I am so grateful. Happy new year. And my name is Shofumi. In case it's your first time of seeing my face, and here is adorable you. Yes, we talk about everything femininity, everything feminine in beauty, in wellness, etc. So today I'll be talking about some prepping tips you need for your skincare routine. Before you say you want to go and use your cash or use your coin to buy that skincare product, before you complain that this product is not working and you're still having some reactions on your face, your body, you're still having discoloration, hyperpigmentation, please watch this video. It is very essential because it's like a foundational tip that people don't get to talk about, that people pass and just take you to routine. And so I want you to watch this video and stay tuned. So some people can have this notion about skincare and be like, these ones are just trying to be fine. You know, when you talk about skincare, having a routine about for your skin, I'm already fresh, Jare. These ones are trying to be fine. Okay, let me make you understand something that you don't know. So beyond the beautification part, which is also good, it helps you to look good, skincare is for function. Your body is the reason why you're on this earth realm. Without your body, you can't be on this earth realm. Yes, your spirit is not here. You can't say spirit. Your body is the reason why you're here. So taking care of your body is a way of showing you are grateful for being on this earth realm and giving it the right component in it, taking care of it. That's why I talk about skincare. So beyond the beauty part, is for function of your external self to need to be taken care of. That's why we have dermatologists, we have medical lines that take care of skin, because you know how important the skin is as well. So beyond the beauty part, there's a function part where you have to understand why you have to take care of your skin, your body, which is your skin, which is the largest organ of the body. So guys, I'm going to go into the video right now, and the number one thing I'm talking about is a towel, especially for your face. Essentially, you know, our face is like the most sensitive part of our body, especially for your face. Please do not use the same towel you're using for your body on your face. Try to get a paper towel, like get a you know a paper towel, you know, this big tissue. Do I still? Let me show you a paper towel. This is almost finished, but this is what they call a paper towel. So you can have this and put it in your bathroom, so when you are done bathing, you can just roll out some sheet and use it to like dry out your face, or you can just let it dry out on its own. Please do not use the same towel you're using on your body on your face. Your face is very sensitive. That is why you buy some product, you are using it every day and it still is not working. It's still not working. The number two thing I wrote down here, because I had to write it down for you guys, you know, this 2023 we got to be intentional. So I had to write it down here for you guys, because this 2023 we are going all intentional about ourselves, about our body, our soul, our spirit, every part of our being. So please do well to subscribe to this video. Please do well to like this video so that more people can watch and get more recommendation, please. Then number one thing I'll be talking about is hot water. Please do not use hot water on your face, even for your skin. Avoid using, you can use lukewarm water, like warm water, but even like very warm water. Do not bathe every day. You're using hot water on your skin every day. Hot water on your skin. Please do not do that. If you want to try it, then you can put a particular cloth. Use cloth. This is a baby. This is a teddy baby. Yeah. Imagine me putting this thing inside hot water every day and see if I will not rip it off its color essence. You can try it. You people that like to use hot water, I know it's harmattan, you want to, some people are even used to it. I have someone that she says she's so used to using hot water that even it's hot, it's not hot, she has to use hot water. And our water, you start seeing steam coming out of our body. I've been there before. Some of you, when you're bathing like this, once you'll be seeing steam coming out of your body. Please, it's not good, it's not healthy for your skin. So I want you to take note of that, so that when you now moisturize your skin, you can see if your skin is looking burnt, or some parts are one like this, some parts are not like this. So the number two thing I wrote down is just use a lukewarm water, or just better to use a cold water. The number two thing I wrote about changing your pillowcase frequently. You know, our face is always on our pillowcase, so frequently change your pillowcase within the space of 2 to 3 days, 3 days to 4 days. So depending, 3 days, 3 days, change it please. Then the next thing, because I don't want to take time, I know I already said some things before and I don't want to take our time. The next thing is over exfoliation. So some of us over exfoliate. Now, you don't understand your skin type, please try and watch other videos I've made about your skin type, because if you have a dry skin now, you don't have to exfoliate as often as someone that has an oily skin. An oily skin, your skin is already very dry, so you have to be careful with the way you exfoliate. You can exfoliate just twice in a week. When you want to exfoliate, look for product that has essential oils. Essential oil if you have a dry skin, and if you have a normal to oily skin, 3 times a week it's fine. Sometimes some of us, we use exfoliating glove. We have some exfoliating glove and exfoliating sponge we use. Like that, me, I don't get to exfoliate 3 times. I get to just exfoliate like twice in a week, sometimes once, because my exfoliating glove on its own exfoliates itself every day. Exfoliates my body every day. Not using sunscreen. The reason why some of your products don't work is that lack of sunscreen. Yes, please, sunscreen is very essential. It helps to protect your skin from UVA ray, all these UVB ray, UVA ray, you know what I'm saying? Protect your skin. It's just like going out and you're going for war. So just going for war without your bulletproof on your body, or without a gun to defend yourself. Or you are going on a sea walk, like you're going on a sea, you're diving in and you're not with your life jacket. Are you supposed to survive that? No. So that's how important sunscreen is to your skin. The sunscreen is the protector, is your shield, is your defender against the harmful pollution out there, sun ray. So please make sure you make sure, like, number 1 top thing on my list today, sunscreen. If it's for you to write it down as I'm writing it, and put it beside your your dressing mirror, or wherever you can see it, and remember that I have not applied my sunscreen, or at the entrance of your room door, so that when you want to go out, just, oh, I've not used my sunscreen, I've used a sunscreen today. Or you get a notification on your phone, or you try to like time yourself, oh, I've not used my sunscreen. Sunscreen is really very, very, very important for the well-being of your skin. That's why I had to first come early to tell you about the concept of skincare. Beyond you saying I want to be fair, I want to be fresh, I am explaining to you that skincare is for function. It is very important to your well-being as a human being, having a good skincare routine. Nobody has a perfect skin. It's about you having a healthy skin. Like, you can wake up tomorrow and there's a reaction on your face. If you're a lady and you have your period and all, reaction comes out. See, it doesn't mean once I have a reaction, I don't even stop what I'm doing. I'll keep using my product. I'm less bothered because I know it to go. Within 2-3 days, I won't even see it again. It happens. So don't get yourself worked up looking for a perfect skin here and there. It doesn't. There's nothing like perfect skin. It's just like looking for a perfect human being. There's nothing like that. But you know you have an healthy skin, having your routine. You can tell on your skin that you are looking healthy. You are giving your skin the right vitamin it needs for it to be healthy. So you guys should watch out for my videos. I think the next video I should talk about is, in case you are struggling with your skincare routine and it's looking complicated here and there, you are seeing videos of this one, you're applying 1 step, 10 step, 5 step, and it's complicated to you. I'm going to be like bringing it down to, like, I'll be breaking it into pieces for you on about your skincare routine, how you can actually have a stress-free skincare routine without stress. So that's what I'll be doing for you in my next video. Please guys, do well to subscribe and do well to like this video so that it can reach more people. Thank you and have a good day.